Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. From perplexing psychological puzzles to harrowing whodunits and bewildering narrative brooders, these are the best mystery movies you can watch on Netflix right now.
You start to play it?
The Ring. Adapted for a novel by Koji Suzuki Nakata's film was so successful that an English language remake soon followed. Gore Verbinski's delivered The Ring unto the genre masses in the fall of 2002, and doing so, he delivered one of the great horror movies of the modern era. A compelling, unsolved mystery has fueled the narratives of some of the better mysteries and horror films of all time. It Comes at Night. Of the film's overarching mystery, we'll tell you that the story unfolds in the aftermath of a pandemic event that's eliminated untold number of the world's population. Of It Comes at Night's numerous small-scale mysteries, will offer that the film follows a man and his family riding things out in a secluded cabin in the woods, only to find their rigorously structured life upended by the arrival of another family.
Gordon Mosley.
The Gift. Movies have probably taught us far more significant things over the years, but we maintain that old friends with gifts rarely bring joy to the lives of others on screen. Clearly, someone forgot to tell Jason Bateman's character in The Gift that fact, cause when Simon and his wife Robin bump into his old high school chum Gordo, they strive an awkward sort of kindship. The plot thickens when Gordo begins making uninvited appearances in Simon and Robin's lives, along with some seriously head-scratching gifts.
By definition.
Freaks. One of the key ingredients of any great mystery story is fear of the unknown. And as far as the particular fear goes, Zach Lipovsky's and Adam Beilstein's cleverly self-contained sci-fi drama Freaks is most steeped in it the most. In fact, it's the particular fear that drives not just the overarching narrative of the film, but also every brazen twist and turn within its cryptic construct.
Look what you've done.
Everybody Knows. Set largely in a small Spanish village, every word of dialogue in Everybody Knows is spoken in Spanish. Hopefully, that fact won't put you off, because outside of a potential 1-inch language barrier, Everybody Knows is very much classic sort of thriller. One as steeped in long-buried secrets and mysteries as it is in true-blooded pulse-pounding.
3 days ago, my son Bailey was taken by wolves.
Hold the Dark. Once you have gotten caught up by Saulnier's wildly original, beyond tense cinematic style, stick around Netflix for a little longer and treat yourself to the director's latest beastly brooder, Hold the Dark. Even though it lacks some of the visceral energy of his prior works, Hold the Dark is an accomplishment, a mystery film as you will find streaming. Set largely among the gorgeous but utterly unforgiving vistas of the Alaskan wilderness, Hold the Dark follows famed wolf expert Russell Core, who's called to an isolated village after a 6-year-old boy is lost and presumed killed by a pack of wolves.
Animals here, Mr. Core.
Well, if you say so.
What you looking at?
The old neighborhood.
Mystic River. For fans of mystery fiction, the name of Boston-based scribe Dennis Lehane has been a well-known quantity for years now. Their taste came in Clint Eastwood's emotionally fraught adaptation of Lehane's award-winning mystery, Mystic River. Now, before we go any further, we should tell you, labeling Mystic River merely a whodunit is a glaring disservice to the story itself. Though Mystic River is, in fact, propelled by a murder mystery, there really is a lot more going on beneath the surface than just finding a killer.